Begin by connecting your MAX8x8 to your laptop computer with the USB cable. Go to Scan and USB Scan to detect the connected device. You can change the device name or scroll down to the Network Setting property window to enter the desired IP address for your MAX8x8, as well as changing the default gateway, also known as the router IP or the IP mask. We choose the Save icon to apply those settings and connect via the network to now enter the properties of our MAX8x8 via IP. It shows up and we see our saved settings have applied successfully, and we're going to go in now to enter the desired input/output names of the MAX8x8 or adjust additional settings. We choose the Change Input/Output Name button and we enter our desired naming per input or output one by one. And we can see those new names in the control panel at the right side of our screen, as well as in KeyDigital management software for end users or the KeyDigital app